அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome to our channel. Today we are discuss about how to allocate the engineering mathematics paper. Before teaching, all engineering students should be know about how to allocate or how to set the question paper for each and every units. Not only engineering mathematics, all the engineering papers to be set the question paper for this method. Now we are take one paper, transform and partial differential equation. This is the M3 paper for engineering mathematics. And this transform and partial differential equation papers having 5 units. First one is Fourier series and Fourier transform. Third one is partial differential equation. Fourth one is application of partial differential equations. And last one is a transform and difference equations. These arrangement for the above, that means before 2017 regulation, after 2017 regulations, this unit was shuffled. Shuffled means first unit going to third one, and third one going to first one, second unit going to fourth one, and fourth one going to second one. Now only shuffled the unit, not eliminating unit. All the 5 units having the M3 paper for engineering mathematics 3. Okay, now how to allocate the engineering mathematics papers for? Before that, I would like to say about something for M3 paper. This M3 paper used for other department paper also. For example, EC student 4th semester, they studied one of the paper DSP, that is digital signal process paper. That paper also applied for the Fourier series, Fourier transform and Z transform. Both Fourier series, Fourier transform, all the formulas applicable to the DSP paper. And one more department paper also, mechanical 8th sum paper, FIA paper, that is a elective paper. One more elective paper is operation research paper. Both of them elective paper. Both paper handled by the maths department. Some colleges handled by the maths department. Some of colleges handled by the own department, that is having a department staff handled. But whatever it may be, but used the FIA paper and also the DSP paper, both are used in Fourier series, Fourier transform and Z transform. Formulas and application has been used in that papers also. Okay, now how to allocate the marks for M3 paper? Not only M3 paper, all the mathematics paper, not only M3, all mathematics paper using this way of method. So having M3 paper having 5 units, each unit is having 20 marks, that is each unit is having 20 marks. That 20 marks split into 2 parts, that is 18 marks and 18 marks. How to split 18 and 18? That is, for example, we take the Fourier series. Fourier series having so many chapters. First chapter is general Fourier series. Second one is odd and even function. And third one is cosines and sine series. And fourth one is complex Fourier series. And the fifth one is possibles identity. And the last one is harmonic function. This 6th chapter occupied to the Fourier series. Okay, now this Fourier series, first every unit is having first half and second half. First half having 18 marks allocated for 18 mark question, and second part having 18 marks. Here in science series, every unit is having same marks. Same marks means that is 20 marks, totally 100 marks allocated. So for now we take only first Fourier series. Fourier series having 6 chapters. First, general Fourier series, odd and even functions, cosines and sine series, complex Fourier series, Parseval's identity, harmonic function. Each unit having two parts, first half and second half. Each having two parts, first half and second half. Here, first half means Fourier series. First half means general Fourier series, odd and even function, cosine and sine series. This first half portion asking the question for 18 marks. Here 18 marks, that is 2 plus 16. Here 1 2-mark question asking and 1 60-mark question. This 60-mark question have been split, that is 8 plus 8. This is small question. 8 plus 8 means small question having asking. That is 1 2-mark question asking 1 2-mark question here and 1 60-mark question. Totally 18 marks. This is first half. Remaining second half also asking 18 marks. That is 1 2-mark question and 1 60-mark questions. 1 60-mark question. Maximum Parseval's identity question was asking for 60-mark questions. And some other question paper more than 2 harmonic function to find more than 2 function or 3 function asking question. That's also the 60-mark question. Suppose small Parseval's identity functions or small harmonic function asking 8 plus 8 mark questions. So totally 60 marks. So you have to prepare first half or second half. Definitely you got 18 marks. You definitely got 18 marks. Okay. Suppose you throw the Fourier series full unit, you get the 20 marks because you have to only 1 2-mark question attend first half and second 2-mark question attend the second half. Suppose you have to prepare 2 Fourier series, definitely attend 2 2-mark questions. That is 2 plus 2 is 4 marks, 1 16-mark. This is either or type. 1 16-mark questions. That is 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 16 is 20 marks. So definitely you got it 20 marks. In as well as 1 2-mark question asking second half and 1 60-mark question asking second half. This only covered for the first half or second half. You throw the first half portion or second half portion, you definitely got it 18 marks. Okay, so in 3 units only for you have to select your choice. Which units you have to like easy, then you have to select them. First unit or second unit or third unit, anything you have to select your choice. Definitely you got it 54 marks. Suppose first half or 3 into 8, 18, which is equal to 54. You got it 54 marks. That is 100 out of நினைக்கிறவங்க நீங்களே சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிங்க யுவர் சாய்ஸ். உங்களுக்கு எது ஈஸியாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அந்த யூனிட்டை சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிங்க. அந்த யூனிட்டை சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு அதில் half of the portion, அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் half portion or second half portion, யுவர் சாய்ஸ். Which one is easiest one, you have to select it. Okay, so you first of all 3 units you have to select and fully thorough it. First half or second half, anything fully thorough it. You definitely got it 54 marks out of 100. Okay, minimum marks of 100, 45 out of 100. This is the minimum marks for minimum pass marks for out of 100. This is converted to 80. This is converted to 80. What is the answer? 36. This is the 36 marks for the pass mark for external. Okay, external marks. And you know already each paper having 20 marks are internal mark, and 80 marks for external marks. Okay, 20 marks. Minimum internal marks are minimum 10 marks. 10 up to 20. Minimum 10 marks are each and every colleges apply to 10 marks. Minimum 10 marks. So your external examination, you got the marks are 36. More than 36, you will definitely you get the pass marks. So that is 10 marks, 36 plus 10, which is equal to 46. That is 45 is the 45 marks was the pass mark in your engineering papers. That is you got it. 40 to the other units also. Okay. Similarly here other units also. Now first of all you have to select the easiest unit in your choice. You have to select first 3 units or anything. You have to select 3 units. 3 units, first half or second half, you have to thorough it. Okay, first half portion or second half portion, you have to thorough it. Definitely you got the pass mark. Okay, now I have having preparing the units for Fourier series, Fourier transform and application of partial differential equation. Hereafter only teaching video will be update. Keep it and watch it. I think this video will be very useful to our future studies. Would you like to this video? Please share and subscribe. Thanks to be watching our channel. Thank you. And